Welcome to Beautyistic. Let's dive right into a curling iron that promises to make your hairstyling a breeze. The Bed Head Curlipops 1-in Tourmaline Ceramic Spiral Styling Iron. If you're tired of those annoying clamp marks and want soft, shiny curls with less heat damage, this might just be the tool you've been looking for. The Bed Head Curlipops is designed to give you springy, loose curls with body, and it does so by utilizing Tourmaline Ceramic Technology. This technology is key for keeping the barrel evenly heated, helping to preserve your hair's natural moisture. The result? Shiny, healthy-looking curls with less risk of damage from the heat, which is something we all can appreciate, right? Now let's talk about what this wand can really do. With a heat setting that goes up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, this curling iron is made to handle all hair types. Whether you have fine, thick, or textured hair, it promises to create those bouncy curls without the dreaded creases from traditional clamp-style curling irons. And it heats up quickly, so no more waiting around before you can start styling. I also have to mention the heat protective glove that comes with it. A nice touch for added safety, especially when you're working with high temperatures. The Bed Head Curlipops keeps a steady temperature while you style, which further reduces the risk of heat damage. It's designed for precision, allowing you to wrap your hair around the barrel and create consistent curls without having to worry about varying heat levels mid-styling. One of the standout features, in my opinion, is its versatility. It has universal dual voltage, which makes it a perfect option for travel. You can plug it in wherever you are in the world. So if you're someone who loves to travel and wants to keep your hair game strong, this is a total bonus. In terms of actual use, I found that the Bed Head Curlipops is incredibly easy to incorporate into my routine. The barrel's spiral design makes it simple to wrap your hair around and create those soft, voluminous curls with minimal effort. The lightweight design means I didn't get arm fatigue even after styling my entire head, which is something I really appreciate. Let's talk about the pros and cons. Pros: Tourmaline Ceramic Technology keeps hair shiny and smooth while minimizing heat damage. Steady temperature control means consistent results every time. Dual voltage is a game changer for international travelers. Heat protective glove adds a layer of safety while styling. Lightweight design makes styling easy without discomfort. Cons: the 1-inch barrel may not be large enough for those who want very loose waves. It's ideal for tighter curls and more defined styles. For those who prefer a more customized temperature setting, the fixed 400 degrees Fahrenheit might not offer enough flexibility. So, is it worth the price? For the performance you're getting, consistent heat, quick styling, and protection from heat damage, I'd say it's a good value. It's not the cheapest option out there, but given its quality and added features like the heat glove and travel-ready design, I think the price is fair for what you're getting. Compared to other curling irons at this price point, I'd say the Bed Head Curlipops holds up well. Its unique spiral barrel is something you don't find on every curling wand, and that definitely sets it apart in terms of creating springy, voluminous curls without the clamp marks. In terms of build quality, the material feels sturdy, and the lightweight design does not sacrifice durability. The tool itself is built to last, and I'd expect it to maintain its performance for quite some time with regular use. If you're considering alternatives, there are some options that come with interchangeable barrels or more adjustable heat settings, but those tend to be a bit pricier. If you just want a straightforward, reliable curling wand, the Bed Head Curlipops should be high on your list. To wrap it up, the Bed Head Curlipops 1-inch Tourmaline Ceramic Spiral Styling Iron is a fantastic choice for anyone who loves bouncy, voluminous curls without worrying about heat damage. It's easy to use, travel-friendly, and delivers great results with minimal effort. If you want soft, shiny curls with body, this styling iron delivers exactly that. It's perfect for those who want a reliable, simple curling tool that gets the job done efficiently. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and remember, if you've tried the Bed Head Curlipops, drop a comment below and let us know your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.